Hi everyone, this is Bagger Don, Stock Market Caddy. It is September 5th. Hope everyone had a wonderful long weekend. You're looking at the swing machine intraday on both a 10 and 5 minute time frame. We run a model. A model. You may hear that word if you're listening to the weather forecast as we are down here in Florida. Similar to the AccuWeather and trying to predict a hurricane, there is only a certain degree of certainty that you can have, and trading the markets day in and day out is kind of like predicting the path of a hurricane. All you can do is collect your data, feed it into a system or a model, and from there project where you think it's going and then profit from it. And that's what the swing machine is basically doing. Now, we built it around the theme of a golf. I thought that'd be much more fun to think about and correlate to than a hurricane. Trust me, a hurricane is not something you want to be pondering for day in and day out, let alone for a week here. But suffice it to say, the swing machine is modeling that the markets are now short on a short time basis, short here, and here's all the selling. And you can see all the other markets as well, the bonds. The key number that you're most interested in is the purse. The VIX is up. Now, this is on a 10-minute basis. 10-minute. This is just 130 minutes ago, 110 minutes ago. So if these trades had gone in, 662, 812, 645, 965, 1,000. Over here, this is confirming, but same types of numbers. Currencies, 190, 180, 681. Oil, 1,200. Gasoline had just been doing phenomenal. Gasoline over here is up actually almost 10 grand on the GPS strategy. Treasuries, 1,400, 1,500. Folks, if you think you can look out the window as you drive from Miami to Key West and think you can detect a hurricane and you can tell where it's going, then keep doing what you're doing in the market. Okay. We have all we can do. Now, we do have models that are on a daily basis, a weekly basis, and a monthly basis. But, the further out the projections get, the wider the path is, right? For a miscalculation. This is intraday. All we have to do is come in and execute and just get a piece of these monies each and every day. And we're going to do just fine as traders. Our daily Nicholas timing model for our members, we have members that pay a monthly fee, pay as they go. They don't, there's no long-term contracts, not happy, they drop off. But fortunately, we almost never have anybody drop out. And if they do, it's maybe for moving away or doing something else, but very, very rarely. And the Nicholas timing model triggered last night, and we shorted it. Those positions, there are a contract on each market is up over $5,000 as we speak, $5,000. And they were given the heads up. We got a little heads up late last week, but certainly got the call last night. So we have the Nicholas timing model, then we also have the daily swing machine that looks a little bit further out, much more stable. It's kind of like having the European model and the American model on, forecasting the path of a hurricane. So if if you want to keep doing what you're doing, it's working for you, great. But if you're a little bit concerned that your portfolio could be facing a disaster, if you're in stuff that you have no idea why or how you get in or when you're going to get out, and God knows when you're going to get back in, feel free to check us out. What have you got to lose? If you want to join our level 2, You can do that. Level 2, you get access to the markets to view the swing machine just as we do each and every day, live, real time. All right? Check us out, bagitonsstockmarketcaddy.com.